Good morning everyone. Today I'm presenting my project TravelLoop, a smart travel planning web application developed to simplify the entire travel planning experience. Most travelers use different applications for destination research, itinerary planning, budgeting, packeting lists, travel journals, and reviews. My objective was to bring all these features together into one integrated platform. TravelLoop is developed using React.js for the front end, Spring Boot for the back end, MySQL as the database, and follows a secure REST API architecture. Now, let me demonstrate how the application works. Application supports two roles, user and administrator. I will first demonstrate the user side of the application by selecting the user role. Now we have to type the email address and password. Since I already have an account, I will sign in using my registered email and password. After successful authentication, the application redirects me to the user dashboard. This is the user dashboard. From here, the user can access all the major features of the application, including exploring destinations, plan trips, viewing, save trips, managing budgets, packaging lists, and travel journals. Plan a new trip. I will create a new trip. First, we should enter the trip name and destination, choose the travel dates, specify the number of travelers, select the trip type, and enter the estimated budget. After submitting the form, the trip is saved successfully in the database. We also have travel preferences like what are the main interests we have and which mode of transports we prefer and the accommodation preference. The newly created trip now appears in the My Trips page. From here, I can either view the trip details or continue planning the itinerary. This is the itinerary builder. Based on the selected destination, the application automatically loads only the attractions available for that location. I can choose the attractions I want to visit and add them to my itinerary. As I add attractions, useful information such as entry fees, visit duration, and opening hours is displayed. The itinerary is organized day by day and can be saved for the future access. At the same time, the live budget section updates automatically. Whenever I add an attraction, the corresponding entry fee is deducted from my total trip budget and the remaining balance is calculated instantly. The next one is packing list. Here I can add travel essentials, mark items as completed, edit them or remove them. All packing list information is stored in the database. And the next is the trip travel journal. After completing the trip, users can record their travel experience in the travel journal by writing notes and uploading memorable photographs. And they can also add expenses like how much they have spent during that time. And this is the profile information where we can see the profile information, travel statistics, travel preferences of how we prefer, and account settings like change password. If we want to update any password, we can do in this. Now I will log out from the user account and demonstrate the administrator module. I will now log in as the administrator. The administrator is responsible for managing the application's travel data and monitoring user activity. This is the admin dashboard, which provides an overview of users, trips, destinations, attractions, and other platform statistics. Now we can manage destinations. Here the administrator can add, edit or remove destinations. Any changes made here are immediately reflected in the user application because all the destination information is stored in the database. The next one is manage attractions. Each destination has its own attractions. The administrator can add new attractions, specify entry fees, opening hours, visit duration, descriptions, and other details. These attractions are automatically available in the itinerary builder for users. The next one is the categories. Categories help organize destinations and attractions, making search and filtering easier for users. And the next one is the reviews. Reviews submitted by the user appear here for moderation. The administrator can approve or reject them before they become visible in the application. The last final one is the analytics. The analytics section provides insights into trips, destinations, and user engagement, helping administrators monitor platform usage. In conclusion, travel